If you are wondering if you can use a phone wireless charger in order to charge Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, then let's give it a try. So of course over here I have my example wireless charger, and technically if it is possible to charge it, I should be able to just place the watch on top of this charger to make it work. But it seems, I think I can see that my wireless charger starts flashing and nothing really happens on the watch. There is no connection, it doesn't start charging. I'm gonna remove straps just to make sure that they don't really interfere or anything like that. And let's see if I can start charging it. I'm gonna also try to push it down just to make sure that there is a connection or something. But it seems that nothing happens. So it seems that it is not really possible to use such a charger to charge Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. Although there might be a different wireless charger or wireless charging pad that it actually supports these kind of devices. But it seems that generally speaking it is not possible, and the Galaxy Watch 9 does not support wireless charging pads dedicated for phones. Leave a like and subscribe.